All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important marketing tips that I could ever give you to help you get as much attention as possible at the lowest cost possible. So let's get to it. So one of the things that I have learned over the years is to not try to make channels work, not try to get on a channel before it becomes important or powerful or effective. I want to get on the channel right when it becomes incredibly powerful as a wave of attention. And timing is a big word over here. You got to know when to start marketing on a platform. So if you have seen my content, again, my name is Manuel Suarez, and I'm the CEO of Attention Grabbing Media, marketing agency, Inc. 5000 winning award that specializes in the subject of capturing attention at scale and has helped countless brands, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. I'm really good at that particular subject. I do talk a lot about omnipresent, which is the subject of being everywhere. But when you want to go heavy in a particular platform, you want to look at a particular opportunity inside that platform. So for example, this is something that changes all the time. I'm trying to make you an evergreen video because you might be seeing this video in 2029. Who knows? That's a beautiful thing about the internet, that our content keeps on showing up, especially on the YouTube platform. So let's say, for example, that you are on 2022 and you want to leverage attention grabbing platforms at scale because you understand this concept that attention equals income, that if you have attention, you can generate sales and revenue. If you don't have attention, you're going to struggle. As simple as that. This is not rocket science. So all you got to do is figure out attention and grabbing attention at scale because it inevitably leads towards sales, revenue, products being sold, etc. It's a beautiful thing. I have proven this time and time again. This is coming from somebody that produces hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue a year, including what I produce with my own brand built from the ground up without any outside funding or investors. So you want to make sure that you are in present time observing opportunities in today's environment. So what am I talking about in 2022? Well, there's something called vertical short form content. That's what's on fire right now. And if you're watching this video in 2022, you know exactly what I'm talking about. In Facebook, there's something called Reels. In Instagram, there's something called Reels. On TikTok, there's something called TikToks. On YouTube, there's something called Shorts. These are the things that are on fire. You know, when I realized that we might be getting closer to the maturing of this particular content format, when I opened up the Netflix app the other day, and I saw short form vertical content. They have a tab right now, which is incredible to think about it, right? If you think about Netflix historically, what it has been and what it really stands for, it's a digital movie, TV show platform of long form content. You can now go to Netflix and they have a tab at the bottom around the middle, and you can click on it, and it's basically going to be 30, 45, 60 seconds of clip from a funny film. And it makes it very easy for you to put that film in your watch list. When I saw that, I was like, wow, even Netflix is joining the movement. I wasn't surprised when YouTube launched the YouTube Shorts concept. It made sense for them because they were losing so much attention with these other platforms. Everybody's struggling. I don't know if you guys are following, but at the time of this recording, just yesterday, Facebook lost 25% of its value in one single day. You're talking about tens of billions of dollars in one single day. Might be closer to $100 million, actually. $100 billion. It's incredible how much they have lost because of the attention grabbing that a platform like TikTok has gone through. It's been a lot. So now everybody else is trying to catch up, and everybody else is launching this. So this is the attention grabbing opportunity. So when you want to talk about attention and you want to talk about grabbing attention at scale, or you want to talk about being able to produce enough attention for you to be able to sell enough of your products and services you can scale, you got to always just look first at what are the attention grabbing opportunities and what are the established channels right now. Like if I wanted to start advertising on television and radio, right now might not be the best way to go about it. If I wanted to advertise on a billboard, well, people don't look at billboards anymore because the attention is on their mobile devices. So you gotta be smart in regards to when do you put your attention and where do you put your attention. Timing is essential. One of the reasons why I am where I'm at today is because I went all in into a platform when it was still in the early stages because I wanted to leverage existing traffic. I didn't want to go and create my own Amazon. That whole romantic idea of creating your own Amazon, you got to understand something. This is very important to understand. Common sense is also such a crucial element to anybody's success. You got to understand that the people that have built successful social media platforms, the people that have built successful e-commerce platforms, you can count them with the fingers of your hands. Just for a second, evaluate that point. Think about it, right? Really ponder on that particular statement right there. And now, if you go to a whiteboard and you write down the amount of humans that have access to the internet, you will understand that you have a much greater chance of winning the Powerball than building the next big social media platform or the next big e-commerce platform. Much greater chance. You can go to the Powerball and try to win the lotto every single day. And potentially, you're going to get that faster. You're going to accomplish that particular win faster than actually building the next social media. Now, if you are a total romantic about it and you want to go all in because you believe in yourself and you want to prove me wrong in the future, then go for it. But my success has revolved around understanding that what I need to do is leverage existing traffic opportunities right now. Where can I get the most attention at the lowest cost? What placements can I go in there that I have attention on? And that requires simply observation. That requires you looking around, observing human beings, watching what's happening, going to the Facebook, to the Apple App Store or the Google App Store, going to these places and finding out what's happening in today's environment and leveraging these platforms to be a part of them. Not only that, observing trends that are happening in today's environment. And when you do so, you'll be able to ride opportunity waves. That's what I like to call them. These waves are going to happen with or without you. They are in motion. They happen, and catching them at early stages is the key to you being able to get yourself on this wave and ride them every step of the way until it's too late. Because trust me, at some point, it will be too late. And these particular waves always, always, always die. We don't know when they die, but we do know they always will absolutely die. That is the one inevitable truth of life, that it's all going to fall apart at some point at the macro level and at the micro level also. All right. So find existing opportunities today. I can tell you right now in 2022, the existing opportunities is going deep into the subject of short form vertical content, which is anywhere from 15 seconds to 90 seconds in length. And then utilizing these platforms to share your message and do many, many messages. You can take videos like this that I'm doing right now, which are horizontal videos, and that could become individual 15 seconds, 90-second pieces of content. And you can now start flooding these platforms 3 to 4 times a day on every single one of those platforms and try to capture attention at scale. All right. If you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Talk soon.